Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namah. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. Link to the playlist has been given in the description box. Today we are going to study Bhashabhyasah of the first part, that is Namani of Bhasha Sutram Dvitiyam. First question, Rupa Parichayam Likhata means recognize the forms. In this column, Nam Rupam means inflected form. Some inflected forms of some words have been given. We have to recognize their Pratipadikam means root word, Antah means ending, Lingam means gender, Vibhakti means case, and Vachanam means number. First, Vidyam. Its Pratipadikam is Vidya. Antah, Akarantah. Always you have to see ending of the Pratipadikam, not the given Nam Rupam. Okay? So, Akarantah, Lingam, Strilinga, Vibhakti Dvitiya, and Vachanam Ekvachanam. So, Vidyam is Akaranta Strilinga Shabdah, Vidya, and Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. This is Rupa Parichay. Next is Yutake. Pratipadikam is Yutaka. It is Akarantah Napusaklinga Shabdah. In Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, it becomes Yutake. In Prathama and Dvitiya, both. Dvivachanam, same, Yutake. Kantaya. Kanta Pratipadikam Akarantah Strilinga Shabdah Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam Kantaya. Kanta means wife. Chashakayoho. Pratipadikam is Chashaka. Akarantah Pulinga Shabdah Shashti and Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachanam. In Shashti and Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachanam, the same form. Chashakayoho. Next, Deepabhyam. Deepa Pratipadikam Akarantah Pulinga Shabdah Tritiya, Chaturthi and Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachanam. In Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Chaturthi Vibhakti Dvivachanam and Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachanam, the form is same. Deepabhyam. Dantaihi. Danta Akarantah Pulinga Shabdah. Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Dantaihi is a Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Danta Shabda. Kathayaha. Katha Pratipadikam Akarantah Strilinga Shabdah Panchami and Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachanam. In Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam and Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachanam, same form. Kathayaha. Kalayai. Kala Pratipadikam Akarantah Strilinga Shabdah Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Kalayai. If in exam you have to give Rupa Parichayam, then you have to write all these things. Pratipadikam, Antah, Lingam, Vibhaktihi and Vachanam. Second question, Chaturtha Padam Likhata means fill up the fourth place. First, Dev is to Devena. So, Bhoop is to Bhupena. Deva is Akaranta Pulinga Shabda and its Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam is Devena. So, Bhoop is also Akaranta Pulinga Shabda and its Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam becomes Bhupena. Second, Syuta, Syutanam. Then Chamasa, Chamasanam. Syutanam is Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So, here also we have to use Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Chamasa Shabda. Chamasanam. Phala is to Phalani. So, Parna is to Parnani. Phalani is Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Phala Shabda. So, here also Parnani. Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Parna Shabda. फल and Parna both are Napunsakalinga Shabdah. Surya is to Suryat. So Chandra is to Chandrat. Surya and Chandra both are Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. So here Suryat is Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Surya Shabda. So Chandrat is Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Chandra Shabda. Deva is to Deveshu. So Vana is to Vaneshu. Here Deva is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, but Vana is Akaranta Napusakalinga Shabda. But in Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Deva Shabda, it becomes Deveshu. Also in Napusakaling, Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, same form as masculine forms. So Vana is to Vaneshu. Mala, Malasu. So Shala, Shalasu. Malasu is a Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Mala Shabda. Mala and Shala both are Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. So here also Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Shala Shabda becomes Shalasu. Third question. Shabdanam artham vibhaktyanusaram madhyam bhashaya likhata. That means write the meanings of the word in English. Vrikshan. Vrikshan is a Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Vriksha Shabda and meaning to more than 2 trees. Dvitiya Vibhakti, therefore preposition is to. Bharyayai. Bharyayai is a Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Bharya Shabda, Akaranta Strilinga Shabda and meaning is for or to the wife. Bharya means wife and prepositions of Chaturthi Vibhakti is for or to. Karabhyam. This is Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti and Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachanam of Kara Shabda. So in Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam becomes by the 2 hands. In Chaturthi Vibhakti Dvivachanam, to or for the 2 hands. And in Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachanam, meaning becomes from the 2 hands. Darpane. This is Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Darpana Shabda. Darpana is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda and meaning in a mirror. For Saptami Vibhakti, preposition is in. Kunchikaya. It is Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Kunchika Shabda. Kunchika is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Meaning is key. And Kunchikaya means with a key. Prepositions for Tritiya Vibhakti is with. Yanat. Yanat is a Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Yanam Shabda. It is Akaranta Napusakalinga Shabda. Meaning from the vehicle. Yanat means from the vehicle. Preposition for Panchami Vibhakti is from. Geeteshu. Geeta is Akaranta Napusakalinga Shabda and this is Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Geeta Shabda. Geeteshu means in more than 2 songs. Because it is Bahuvachanam, we should say more than 2 songs. Vriksheshu. This is Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Vriksha Shabda. Vriksha is a Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. And Vriksheshu means in or on the more than 2 trees. Because prepositions for Saptami Vibhakti is in or on. Hastayoho. This is Shashti Vibhakti, Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachanam of Hasta Shabda. Hasta is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. In Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachanam, meaning becomes of the 2 hands. And in Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachanam, meaning becomes in 2 hands. Karnabhyam. Karna is a Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. And this is Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti and Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachanam of Karna Shabda. In Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, meaning becomes with 2 ears. In Chaturthi Vibhakti Dvivachanam, meaning becomes to 2 ears. And in Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachanam, meaning becomes from 2 ears. Fourth question, Talikam Purayata. Fill up the table. Here in last column, Vibhakti has been given. So you have to fill up the table as per Vibhakti and Vachanam. Chandrau Vivachanam has been given and we have to fill up Prathama Vibhakti. So forms in Prathama Vibhakti of Chandra Shabda becomes Chandraha, Chandrau, Chandraha. It's Akaranta Pulinga Shabda. Then Netram has been given. Netram is Napusakalinga Shabda. And its Dvitiya Vibhakti becomes Netram, Netre, Netrani. Then Mapikaya has been given. Mapikaya is Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekvachanam of Mapika Shabda. It is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. So its Tritiya Vibhakti becomes Mapikaya, Mapikabhyam, Mapikabhihi. Dantebhyah. Chaturthi Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of Danta Shabda has been given. So Chaturthi Vibhakti of Danta Shabda is Dantaya, Dantabhyam, Dantebhyah. Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachanam of Vatayanam Shabda has been given. So Panchami Vibhakti of Vatayanam Shabda is Vatayanat, Vatayanabhyam, Vatayanebhyah. Then Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Gajanana Shabda has been given. Gajananasya. So Shashti Vibhakti of Gajanana Shabda is Gajananasya, Gajananayoho, Gajanananam. Then Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachanam of Utpithika Shabda has been given. Utpithikayoho. Utpithika is a Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Its Saptami Vibhakti becomes Utpithikayam, Utpithikayoho, Utpithikasu. Then Sambodhanam form of Vayasya Shabda, Bahuvachanam has been given. He Vayasyaha. Sambodhanam form of Vayasya Shabda is He Vayasya, He Vayasyau, He Vayasyaha. Vayasya means a friend. It is Akaranta Pulinga Shabda. In the next part, we will study Sarvanamani. If you like my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Namo Namaha, Punah Milamah, Dhanyavadah.